Want to run containers on your Mac like a pro? Whether you're on Apple Silicon or Intel, this quick guide will get Docker up and running in minutes. Stick around to avoid common mistakes and unlock powerful dev tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Do It, your go-to spot for dev tools, tech tutorials, and productivity hacks. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Before we dive in, make sure your Mac meets these requirements. macOS 10.15 or newer Catalina Big Sur Monterey Ventura, at least 4 GB RAM Apple Silicon Mon/M2O/M3. Search Docker on Google Search and go to first link on the result page. Head over to Docker's official site and download Docker Desktop for Mac. Choose the version based on your chip, Apple Silicon or Intel. Once downloaded, open the DMG file and drag Docker icon to your applications folder. It will install Docker. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. Launch Docker Desktop. It may ask for permissions, so approve them. After setup, Docker will start in your menu bar, accept agreement. In next screen, select recommended settings and click finish. It will ask for password to apply configurations. We don't need to sign in to use Docker, so I am going to skip this. It will add Docker to run in background on login. If you don't want it to start on login, you can disable it. Once it is complete, Docker dashboard will be opened. We can see containers here. We can see images here. To demonstrate how to run a container, let me pull some container image from Docker Hub. I'm going to use Hello World Docker image. Copy the command and run it on terminal. Type Docker version to confirm Docker is installed. Then run Docker run hello world to test our setup. If it prints a welcome message, we are good to go. If go back to dashboard, we can see the hello world container is running. Also now we can see hello world image. We can delete or run the container from the dashboard itself. If this helped you, smash that like button and drop a comment with your setup. Subscribe for more dev tutorials and share this with your team or friends. Let's grow together.